$5,000 to $500,000 AI stock dream or reality? This is a question that has been on the minds of many investors, both seasoned and new. The allure of turning a modest investment into a substantial fortune is undeniably attractive. Can you turn a modest $5,000 investment into a life-changing $500,000 by riding the AI wave? The potential for such a transformation is what drives many to explore the world of AI stocks. That's the question on everyone's mind. With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, the stock market has seen a surge in AI-related investments. But is it all just hype, or is there a real opportunity here? The answer? It's possible, but it's no walk in the park. AI is exploding. The technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and companies are racing to integrate AI into their operations. This has led to a significant increase in the value of AI stocks. Companies are pouring billions into this revolutionary technology. The potential is enormous. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming industries and creating new opportunities for growth. But remember, investing always comes with risks. The stock market is inherently volatile, and AI stocks are no exception. While the potential for high returns is there, so is the potential for significant losses. We're going to break it all down. In this video, we'll explore the world of AI stocks, providing you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed investment decisions. You'll learn about AI stocks, how to pick them, and what factors to consider when evaluating potential investments. We'll cover everything from market trends to individual company performance, and how to manage your investments. Proper management of your investment portfolio is crucial to maximizing returns and minimizing risks. We'll provide tips and strategies to help you stay on top of your investments. We'll even show you how to buy your first AI stock. From setting up a brokerage account to executing your first trade, we'll guide you through the entire process. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of AI investing. The potential for growth is immense, and with the right knowledge and approach, you can position yourself to take advantage of this burgeoning market. Let's see if we can turn that dream of $500,000 into a reality. Join us as we explore the opportunities and challenges of investing in AI stocks, and discover how you can make the most of this exciting investment opportunity. Riding the AI wave, a look at AI stocks. AI is everywhere. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, it's transforming our world. And where there's transformation, there's opportunity. That's where AI stocks come in. AI stocks represent companies developing and utilizing artificial intelligence. These companies are at the forefront of innovation. They're creating the future, and their stock prices could reflect that growth. Think of companies like NVIDIA, known for its powerful AI chips, or Google, a leader in AI research and applications. These are just a few examples of the many players in the AI field. Investing in AI stocks means betting on the future of technology. It's a high-stakes, potentially high-reward game. But before you jump in, let's cover some investing basics. Stock Market 101. Your guide to AI investing. Investing in the stock market can seem daunting at first, especially with the rapid advancements in technology and the introduction of artificial intelligence. But don't worry, we're here to break it down for you step by step. Don't worry if you're new to the stock market. Everyone starts somewhere, and with the right guidance, you can become a savvy investor. The stock market is a place where shares of publicly held companies are issued and traded, either through exchanges or over-the-counter markets. We'll get you up to speed. There are countless resources available to help you understand the basics of investing. From books and online tutorials to financial advisors and investment courses, you have a wealth of information at your fingertips. Think of the stock market as a giant auction. Just like an auction, buyers and sellers come together to negotiate prices. The stock market operates on the principles of supply and demand. When more people want to buy a stock, its price goes up. Conversely, when more people want to sell, the price goes down. Companies issue shares of stock, and you can buy and sell them. These shares represent a fraction of ownership in the company. When you purchase a share, you become a part owner of that company, entitled to a portion of its profits and assets. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of ownership in that company. This means you have a vested interest in the company's success. If the company performs well, the value of your shares can increase, leading to potential profits. If the company does well, its stock price usually goes up. This is because investors are willing to pay more for a share of a successful company. The increase in stock price can result in capital gains for shareholders. If it doesn't, the price might go down. investing always carries risks, and it's important to be aware that stock prices can fluctuate based on various factors, including market conditions, company performance, and economic indicators. There are tools to help you navigate the market. Financial software and online platforms provide valuable insights and data to help you make informed decisions. These tools can analyze market trends, track stock performance, and offer investment recommendations. Brokerage accounts allow you to buy and sell stocks. These accounts are offered by financial institutions and provide a platform for trading. With a brokerage account, you can execute trades, monitor your portfolio, and access research and analysis tools. Research platforms provide company information and analysis. These platforms offer detailed reports on companies, including financial statements, earnings reports, and market analysis. This information is crucial for making informed investment decisions, and charting tools help you visualize stock price movements. These tools allow you to track historical data, identify trends, and predict future price movements. By analyzing charts, you can develop strategies for buying and selling stocks. Remember, knowledge is power in the stock market. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment choices. Stay informed by reading financial news, studying market trends, and continuously educating yourself about investing. Take your time, learn the basics, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Investing is a journey, and it's important to build a strong foundation. Seek advice from financial professionals, join investment communities, and never stop learning. With patience and persistence, you can navigate the stock market with confidence and achieve your financial goals. Picking AI winners, research and selection strategies. Now let's talk about choosing AI stocks. It's not as simple as picking the company with the coolest sounding name. You need a strategy. Start by researching different AI sectors. Are you interested in healthcare AI, robotics, or cybersecurity? Each sector has its own growth potential and risks. Once you've chosen a sector, look for companies with a strong track record. Check their financials, their management team, and their competitive landscape. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of AI stocks. This helps spread your risk. Remember, investing in individual stocks requires careful research and monitoring. It's not for everyone. If you're unsure, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Lights, camera, action. Buying your first AI stock. The world of artificial intelligence is booming, and investing in AI stocks can be a thrilling venture. But where do you start? Ready to take the plunge? Let's walk through the process of buying your first AI stock. It's simpler than you might think, but it does require some careful steps. We'll use a popular online brokerage platform for this demonstration. There are many platforms to choose from, each with its own features and benefits. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the stock market, allowing you to buy and sell stocks. This is like opening a bank account, but for buying and selling stocks. You'll need to provide some personal information such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is funded, you can search for the AI stock you want to buy. Funding your account can be done through a bank transfer, wire transfer, or even a check. Let's say we're interested in NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA is a leading player in the AI industry, known for its powerful graphics processing units. You'll enter the ticker symbol NVDA into the search bar. This will bring up the stock's current price, performance history, and other relevant information. Next, you'll place an order to buy the stock. This is where you decide how many shares you want to purchase and at what price. You can choose a market order, which buys the stock at the current market price, or a limit order, which only buys it at a price you set. Market orders are executed immediately, while limit orders wait until the stock reaches your desired price. Congratulations! You've just bought your first AI stock. But remember, buying the stock is just the beginning. Now, the real work begins. Monitoring your investment and managing your portfolio. Keep an eye on the stock's performance, read up on news related to the company, and be prepared to make adjustments as needed. Staying informed is crucial. Follow financial news, subscribe to newsletters, and use tools provided by your brokerage to stay updated on your investments. Setting up stock alerts can help you stay on top of significant changes in stock prices. These alerts can notify you of price movements, helping you make timely decisions. Consider educating yourself further by attending webinars, reading books, and even taking courses on stock investing. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. If you're unsure about your investment choices, consulting with a financial advisor can provide valuable insights. They can help you develop a strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Diversification is key to managing risk. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to balance potential gains and losses. Investing in AI stocks can be rewarding, but it's important to stay patient and disciplined. The stock market can be volatile, and it's crucial to stay focused on your long-term goals. Remember, every investment journey is unique. Learn from your experiences, stay informed, and keep refining your strategy. Happy investing!